In this course, you will learn how to stitch a classic hip-line frock for girls. The frock has a gathered skirt attached to the hip line of its bodice. It has A-line silhouette. It has a short sleeve attached to the armhole. It has a button-down front opening with snap fasteners. The pattern layout for this frock is similar to the pattern layout of A-line frock. As you can see here, the front bodice is placed on the folded edge of the fabric and the back is cut in two parts. But if you want to place buttons at center front of the garment, then you can keep center back. That means the back bodice on folded edge of the fabric, and you can cut front part in two pieces. As you can see, both the patterns have been cut on straight grain. This is the pattern layout of skirt. So the outline that you see in black color is the skirt pattern. So as you can see here, the center front of the skirt has been placed little away from the folded edge of the fabric. So the gap between the folded edge of the fabric and the center front is equal to the width of the hip line of the skirt. So that means you are taking 2 times the width of the hip line here. So the extra of the material that you introduce in this skirt will be converted into gathers. Below this, you can see the pattern layout of the back skirt. If you want to make a back opening, then you have to keep the center back little away from the open edges of the fabric. You can reverse the layout of the pattern. Just look at the way how I have placed the back hip line skirt pattern. In this place, you'll be using front pattern. That means the center front will be away from the open edges of the fabric and the center back will be placed on fold. Both the patterns are placed on straight grain. This is how you create the gathered volume in this skirt. So firstly, at the hip line, you have to make a loose long stitch, and then you have to pull out the thread to create gathering. So once you make the gathering in the hip line of the skirt, just match the dimension of this hip line with the hip line of the bodice. So below you can see the sketch of how to create a gathered volume for the back skirt. This is the front bodice to which you will be attaching the gathered skirt of front, and finally the appearance will be something like this.